Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of ordered product review for Shopware 6. Now this particular plugin permits the customers to write reviews for the ordered products. Once the customer successfully places the order, the customer can go to the order history section and submit a review for the ordered product. The admin on the other hand can view, edit and delete the ordered product reviews from the backend panel, and for the ordered product review the admin can make a comment for the review as well. The customers on the other hand will be able to submit only one review for a particular product. Also, after the admin has enabled the review and ratings, only then it would be visible on the product page. So basically this particular plugin allows the customers to submit only one review per product. The plugin supports multiple language translations. The customers can submit reviews only after placing the order successfully. Customers can give rating along with the review for the product as well. Filter option to search any product review at the admin's end. The admin can view, edit and delete the ordered product review from the list as required. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin, that's the ordered product review for the Shopware 6 at the customer's end, and we'll be seeing how the customers would be able to place the orders initially, and after placing the order how they'll be able to put down a review for the particular product along with the rating as well. And then we'll see the rest of the workflow at the admin's end as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on the login page. So let's log into the customer account by entering the email password and tapping on the login button. So I've already place an order, so let me repeat one order here. So I'll add this main product with advanced prices into the cart, and then I'll make a checkout thereafter. Here I'll be choosing I'll be accepting the general terms and conditions, and then I'll be tapping here on the submit order button. So you can see that the order has been placed and the order number is 10006. Let's go back. Let me go to my orders section. After placing the order, this is the order that I've placed. I can view the order, and here for the main product with advanced prices I can see your review option. So what I need to do is I need to tap here on the your review button to give my review and rating for the product there. So let's tap on the your review button, and this particular section comes up for giving the review for the product there. So here we can give the ratings as well, like unsatisfactory, acceptable, good, very good, excellent. We can set up the title for the review, good services, nice, and we can give the review as well, nice product and good service by the seller, recommend the seller for the let me correct this out, recommend the seller for the product purchase. And then we can tap here on the submit button, and you can see thank you for sending your feedback, your review will be viewed and moderated by the admin there. So we can tap here on the view button, and we can tap here on the your review, and we can see what review and what title and the review we have sent out, and what is the rating that we have given for the particular product. So now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you how the admin would be able to view this particular one in the admin backend panel. For that, we'll be logging into the Shopware 6 admin backend panel by entering the username password and tapping on the login button thereafter. After the successful login there, what the admin needs to do is he needs to go to catalog and reviews. Here the admin would be able to search the reviews as well by entering the details here for the review, so that he can filter out the reviews as well as per his requirement there. And here you can see that the particular review is visible here to the admin, good services, main product with advanced prices is the product, and the total stars are 5 out of 5, and the customer name is Williamson Serena. The creation date is there along with the time. From here we can edit it up or we can delete it up as well. To delete a particular review, you can also select it up and tap on the delete button. For example, I want to delete the very nice product. I can tap here on the delete and tap on the delete thereafter, and a particular review would be deleted. Now to view a particular review, I can tap here, I can tap on the edit button, and that will bring up the particular ratings and the review that has been provided by the customer for the respective product there. So nice product and good services by the seller, recommend the seller for the product purchase, and the reviews are 5 out of 5 as you can see given by the customer. Here we have the creation date, the customer name, the sales channel, the email address of the customer, and the product name on which this particular review and ratings have been given. Then we have the properties. So here you can choose the language in which you want to display the particular reviews, whether depending upon the requirement there. And then to make this review visible on the product page, you can tap here on the visible option, and then you can also give the comment that you want to give back to the review there. Thanks for your feedback, appreciate that. And then we can tap here on the save button to save the changes to the review there. So we have made the review visible, give the comment back to the review there, and with the particular one itself. Now if I go back and I open the particular product, that's main product with advanced pricing, here we can see that one review is being given to this with the ratings as well. And here we have the reviews option just next to the description option here. If I tap on the reviews, here we can see good services, nice product and good services by the seller, recommend the seller for the product purchase, and the feedback by the admin, our feedback, thanks for your feedback, appreciate that. So that's how this particular plugin works. So that's the ordered product review for Shopware, and this plugin permits the customers to write reviews for the ordered product. And once the customer successfully places the order, the customer can go to the order history section and submit a review for the ordered product. On the other hand, the admin can view, edit and delete the ordered product reviews from the backend panel. For the ordered product review, the admin can make a comment for the review as well, as I've shown you, and the customers will be able to submit only one review, and after the admin has enabled the review and ratings, only then would it be visible on the product page there, as I've shown you as well. So yes, that was much about the ordered product review for Shopware 6, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.